The year is 1969. Man steps foot on the moon. In Toulouse, France, the first Concorde test flight is conducted, and Airfix released this kit. On the shelf this episode is the Havilland DHC-1 Chipmunk in 1/72nd scale. The box type we have in front of us today was released 35 years ago in 1988. This box has been collecting dust in someone's attic for those 35 years, but the parts are in great condition. All 23 of them, in fact. Yes, that's right, this kit has only 23 parts. The 23 parts are spread across 3 frames and interestingly moulded in this silver type plastic. What do you think about these coloured sprues? Do you think Airfix should bring them back? The rivets are quite raised and largely defined. You'll also notice that the sprue is on the tree type sprue that you'd have seen at the time and more recently in Airfix starter sets. This did mean we had to play a game of Airfix Operation when we pulled this out of the box, as age hasn't been kind to the smaller parts hanging on the sprue, they've become rather flimsy. The scheme on this boxing is number 6 Air Experience flight from RAF Abingdon, Oxon 1987. So if you were doing your flight training around the Oxford area in the late 80s, it's not impossible that you took your training on this very plane. As you may find with some of the older Airfix kits that have been time capsuled in your loft, the decals have started to yellow. However, they're still in great condition, and who's to say they didn't run out of white paint at RAF Abingdon. Let's take a look at the instructions. There's a lot going on here, but only 5 steps, so it has to be simple enough, right? Although I do have to say I prefer the modern day ones. They're a lot easier to understand. Well, that's the Havilland DHC-1 Chipmunk from 1969. What kit should we take off the shelf next time? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.